Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Onkyo TX-NR7100, a 9-channel Dolby Atmos receiver that's making waves in the home theater world. We'll explore its design, features, setup, performance, and everything you need to know before making a decision. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Onkyo TX-NR7100 sports a clean and utilitarian look with angular lines and a large green display. It's relatively lightweight at just under 23 pounds, featuring a large volume dial and front panel connections including HDMI and headphone jacks. However, the remote control lacks backlighting, which can be a drawback in low-light environments. Connectivity is where this receiver shines. It boasts 6 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, all supporting 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, which is perfect for high-resolution and fast frame rate sources. It also supports EARC, VRR, ALLM, and QFT, catering well to gamers looking for optimal performance. Setting up the TX-NR7100 is straightforward with an on-screen guide. It offers 2 room EQ options: Onkyo's Accu EQ and Dirac Live Room Correction. Accu EQ handles calibration directly from the receiver, while Dirac Live, managed through the Onkyo controller app, provides a more detailed and cohesive soundstage, albeit with lighter bass compared to Accu EQ. In terms of features, this receiver supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, delivering immersive audio experiences. It also includes IMAX Enhanced certification and thanks post-processing, enhancing its audio capabilities further. Unique to Onkyo is a Klipscha optimization mode, tailored for Klipscha speakers, which adjusts crossover values for optimal performance. Moving on to performance, the TX-NR7100 packs 100W per channel into 8 ohms, providing ample power for moderate-sized home theaters. It supports configurations up to 7.1.2 or 5.1.4 Dolby Atmos setups, ensuring flexibility in speaker placement and configuration. The audio quality is dynamic and crisp, making it suitable for both movies and gaming. To sum it up, the Onkyo TX-NR7100 impresses with its robust feature set, powerful performance, and comprehensive connectivity options. While the remote control could be more user-friendly, especially in dim environments, the audio experience and flexibility it offers make it a standout choice in its category. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful AV receiver that doesn't compromise on audio quality or modern features, the Onkyo TX-NR7100 is definitely worth considering. It caters to both movie enthusiasts and gamers alike, ensuring a captivating and immersive home theater experience. That wraps up our review of the Onkyo TX-NR7100. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.